Our jazz arms are very similar, again, to ballet. In fact, sometimes we use our ballet arms in jazz, but we do different things. Now we have more options. We can do a long jazz arm where your palms are down. We can do an inverted jazz arm where your palms scoop up and you have a scoop and a groove in your arms. We can do high V's and low V's. We can do our jazz hands. Now, I do have to clarify that there's a difference between jazz hands and like spirit fingers, so don't confuse the two. When you add these different types of arms in, you can bring, again, a different dynamic to the table. So this means that you can do different second position arms, and each one may have a different vibe to it based on your choreography. So this is a detail you need to pay attention to as you're in class and as you're training to make sure that you're using the proper arm that is being demonstrated for the movement. I will see you tomorrow.